Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color a simple house, step by step. Let's start drawing. I'm drawing a long line on top. I'll draw lines on both sides along the line. And I will match them with each other. Wow! Awesome! There's a spot on the right and a long spot on the left. I will match the spot below with the two spots. I draw a very, very beautiful door. I draw a beautiful window. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red color is my favorite color. I'll paint the house red first. I'll color it red right here too. Window is red. Peach color. I am using this color on the entire wall of the house. Very beautifully. This is very beautiful. The door is painted yellow. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.